Ancient Rajas ruled with a blend of might and wisdom, leaving behind a legacy of grandeur and governance. In the courts of ancient Rajas, the tapestry of history was woven with threads of valor and diplomacy. The footsteps of ancient Rajas echo through time, reminding us of their reigns and the civilizations they nurtured. The palaces of ancient Rajas stood as testaments to their opulence, while their rule sculpted the destiny of realms. Behind the throne of ancient Rajas lay tales of conquest, benevolence, and the intricate dance of power. The ancient Rajas wielded scepters and swords, steering their kingdoms through the tides of history. Amidst the realm of ancient Rajas, the art of ruling was a symphony composed with strength and sagacity. Through the annals of time, the legacy of ancient Rajas endures, a testament to the art of leadership. In the realm of ancient Rajas, thrones were graced by visionaries who forged empires and etched their names in eternity. Ancient Rajas carved their names not only on stone, but on the heart of civilizations, as architects of a bygone era.